In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Markdown files in Confluence. If you already write your notes or documentation in Markdown, bringing that content into Confluence can save tons of time. I'll walk you through preparing your file, importing it, and polishing the result so it fits right into your workspace. Start by getting your Markdown file ready. Make sure it uses the MD extension so Confluence recognizes it. Give the file a clear name and double check that your headings, lists, and code blocks are properly formatted. Use hash symbols for headings, hyphens or asterisks for bullet lists, and triple backticks for fenced code blocks. If your Markdown references images, note that Confluence may not automatically pull in external files, so be prepared to upload images separately and re-link them if needed. Now open Confluence and go to the space where you want the content to live. You can click Create to start a new page if you want a clean slate, or open an existing page if you're adding the Markdown content to something you've already started. If you're using a template, you can still import and then adjust formatting after. With the page editor open, click the Insert button, the one with the plus icon, and choose Files and Images. Select your .md file and upload it. After the upload finishes, Confluence may prompt you to import it as Markdown. Choose Import as Markdown to convert the content directly into editable Confluence blocks. Depending on your version or installed add-ons, this option might look slightly different, or you might see the file appear as an attachment first. If you don't see the import prompt, try the same flow again from the editor, or check whether your workspace supports Markdown import. By the way, I've placed the official Confluence website link right at the top of the description so you can sign in or review the latest documentation on Markdown support. Once the content appears in the editor, take a moment to review it. Confirm that headings map to the right levels, lists are indented as expected, and tables align correctly. Look closely at code blocks to ensure the formatting and language hints carried over. This is a good time to tweak spacing, apply your team's page styles, and replace any missing images or links. Keep changes small and focused so the structure from your Markdown stays intact. When everything looks the way you want, click Publish. Your Markdown content is now fully integrated and editable in Confluence, and you can continue refining it with comments, macros, and page history as your team collaborates. And that's how you import Markdown files into Confluence quickly. This method is perfect for moving documentation or notes from external sources into your workspace. Thanks for watching.